Hi everyone, welcome to Cyberside YouTube channel. Today's topic is types of hackers. Now let's see how the hacking happens and what are different types of hackers. Please subscribe to our channel by clicking on bell button if you like our videos, and please do comment and share your feedback, and also please let us know what are the topics that you are interested to learn regarding cybersecurity, digital forensics and cyber psychology.
Hacking is identifying weakness in digital devices or networks to exploit its flaws in order to gain access. It involves modifying either system or application features to achieve a goal of the attacker. Hacking can be done to steal, rob, and redistribute intellectual property or information that can lead to business loss, reputation damage, or financial loss.
Who is a hacker? A hacker is a person who breaks into your digital device or network without any authorization or excess of authorization to destroy, steal your sensitive and critical information or data and performs malicious attacks. Hacker is an intelligent individual. They are extremely smart with excellent digital skills, system and computer or mobile skills, along with the ability to create and explore into the digital device, software or hardware. For some hackers, hacking might be a hobby to see how many systems or digital devices they can compromise, or they might do it out of curiosity or just for fun. Their intention can be either to gain knowledge or to poke around to do illegal activities or things. Some do hacking with malicious intent like stealing business data, credit card information, social security numbers, email, passwords, etc. See who are the black hats. Black hats are the type of hackers. These are nothing but who are individuals. They use their extraordinary digital skills and computing skills for illegal or nasty purposes. This category of hacker is often involved with criminal activities. They are also known as crackers.
White hats are individuals who use their hacking skills for defensive purposes. These days, almost every organization has security analysts who are knowledgeable about hacking countermeasures, which can secure its network and information systems against malicious attacks. They have permission from the system owner. White hats are also known as penetration testers.
Grey hats are individuals who work both offensively as well as defensively at various times, depending on the need. Grey hats fall between white and black hats. Grey hats might help hackers in finding various vulnerabilities of the system or network or digital device, and at the same time help organizations, clients and vendors to improve products, either hardware or software, by checking limitations and making them more and more secure.
Suicide hackers intentionally aim to bring down critical infrastructure for a cause. These people are not worried about facing jail terms or any other kind of punishment. Suicide hackers are similar to suicide bombers who sacrifice their life for an attack. They are not concerned with the consequences of their actions.
Kiddies. As the name suggests, these hackers are kiddies in hacking. They are not skilled hackers. They are unskilled hackers who compromise the digital devices by running scripts, tools, and software developed by real hackers. They usually focus on the quantity of attacks rather than the quality of attacks that they initiate.
State-sponsored hackers are individuals employed by the governments to penetrate and gain top-secret information and to damage information systems of other governments.
In a nutshell, cyber terrorists are nothing but who, with a wide range of skills, motivated by religious or political beliefs, to create fear of large-scale disruption of digital devices.
Hacktivism is when hackers break into government or corporate computer systems as an act of protest. Hacktivists use hacking to increase awareness of their social or political agenda, as well as themselves in both the online and offline arenas. They are individuals who promote a political agenda by hacking, especially by defacing or disabling websites.
Well, now we learned about the types of hackers overall. Please let us know the next topics that you are interested to learn from CyberSci, and also comment your feedback. That will be more motivating for us to do more videos. Thank you and have a good day.